Razablade TV. Entertainment in 3D.
What's up everybody, you don't know your boy Razablade, and today we do a public interview. May I ask some Jamaicans some weird trick question. Firstly, big up Set Away, you don't know. And big up Bad Board Entertainment, the camera personnel for this video. You got all the details them all over the screen right now. Ready? If I have 15 fish in a fish tank and 10 of them drown, how much fish I have left?
Fish can't drown.
Nice. That's your final answer?
Yeah.
Okay, fish can't drown.
50 minus 8, what, 6.
6 you say? Fish can't drown.
No, bumba.
How much do I have left?
Fish can't drown.
You don't know. You don't know. Real kingpin. Don't know. Rest of man they run. Rest of man they run still. I can't believe. I don't tell me say I don't Glenmore them man I represent from. I don't Glenmore they represent from. I can't believe. You have 15 fish in a tank. And 8 of them drown. How much fish are left?
15.
15?
None take out. Why do you want
Next
question?
Listen, none take out.
None take out.
Cause what?
They don't come out. 15 still
You don't make 15 left? Cause fish can't drown.
So that to
8 drown.
I still 15 man, they are still that tongue.
You see that tongue? No, because fish can't drown. Yeah, a student. Wait, a student course like that? If you have 15 fish in a fish tank and 8 of them drowns, how much fish do you have left?
15
Fish can't drown. If you have 15 fish in a fish tank and 8 of them drown, how much do you have left?
You have 15 fish in a 5 tank and 8
Take
of
them
them
drown.
drown.
15 of them have seen them.
Why?
Like a drown. A fish can't drown.
Okay. How much you have left?
Black guy.
But black eye blow, no, but you make it 7? Fish can't drown, baby love.
Yes.
Fish in a fish tank.
Yeah.
8 of them drown.
Yeah.
What's that?
Mm-hmm.
We have to 7.
Yeah, say 7. But fish can't drown. Alright. Yeah, and 10 of them drown. 5. You sure fish can't drown though? I'm running a race and you pass the man who is in second. How much are you in the race?
Well on. Let's do that over.
If you
Second.
are you're second. Is that your final answer? Okay, you pass the person who is in second. How much are you?
Second yes.
Second.
Yeah.
You don't pass him on the day first.
Okay. How much are you in that race?
If you pass first or second,
Mm-hmm.
almost first man.
You're in second. Can you pass the person
First
in
or
second?
Yo, Jano!
Can you pass the person who is in second?
Second of them.
Second. Good. How much are you in that race? First second? Alright. So if this is the person with the second and this is the person with the first, you pass him. Which part of it? No, look again. If you are behind this man and you pass him in a second and this man the first now, which part are they? A second you're there, man. You pass first the second because in the first and the second, you pass him, you're behind him. Good. You pass the person who is in second. How much are you in that race now?
We are in a race.
Yeah, you pass me with your second. How much you do now?
Almost first.
Second. Can you pass man in a second? How much are you in that race? Second. Okay. How much are you?
Almost second.
Second. How much are you in this race?
The first.
A second, you there? Yeah, you can pass the person in a second. So you get the second place. You see me?
Well, I'm not about doing a race.
A second, you there, man. You pass by the second, you take team spot the race and you take third. Second, you there. Good. Which one of them is heavier? 5 pounds of flour or 5 pounds of bubble gum?
How much flour?
That's your final answer?
5 pounds of bubble. Yeah. Flour.
Flour? Flour, you say?
Yeah.
Both of them are 5 pounds. Which one is heavier? 5 pounds of flour or 5 pounds of bubble gum? Nice. 5 pounds of flour or 5 pounds of bubble
If you
gum?
told them a 5 pound, yeah, I get the one.
Alright,
yeah.
good. 5 pounds of flour or 5 pounds of bubble gum? Both of them are 5 pounds.
Oh, shit.
5 pounds of flour or 5 pounds of chewing gum? Same pound. Alright.
They might see you, man. They don't know what to
They
say.
might see, oh, you made some of that. 5 pounds of flour or 5 pounds of chewing gum?
Same 5 pounds.
Nice, nice. 5 pounds of flour or 5 pounds of chewing gum?
Chewing gum.
Same.
Nice, same.
Two of them are same.
Okay. Which one is heavier? A pound of bun or a pound of cheese chip?
None.
Because you like a pound, right? Nice. A pound of cranberry water or a pound of cheese bread?
No, you got one of
A pound, okay. A pound of feather or a pound of stone?
None can because two of them
A
are
pound. Great. Your mother has 4 children. Chico, Kamiko, Rico. Which one is the 4th one?
No me.
Wait.
No me a
No,
photo.
but you shall come in and say-
Chico, I
Chico, I photo? Where photo?
And me a photo.
You are Chico, Rico, Mabrico. What's the name of the 4th child?
Harico?
Me your name?
My name Jada.
Oh, yeah. But because I have 5 children. Chico, Rico, Chico, Reza. Who is the next child? What's the name of the next child?
It was Miko.
Oh, you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. If your mother has 4 children, better if your mother have 5 children. Reza, Chico, Mabrico, and Rico. What's the name of the last child?
Me. Miko.
Are you
the last one?
Has 4 children. Chico, Rico, and Saniko. What's the name of the 4th child? Your name, quick and easy. Chico, Miko, and Brico. What's the name of the 4th child?
Wait, say that again.
Chico, Miko, and Brico. What's the name of the 4th child?
Rico and Miko.
Yeah, what's the name of the 4th child?
4th child.
Yeah.
Look, I'm not dead there, because I'm not hearing him.
Hear them? Are you, man? If you hear them, zoom up the camera on his face.
Yo, bad man, I can't.
Your mother has 4 children. Chico, Miko, and Brico. What's the name of the 4th child? You. Who, me?
No, you're
Oh, your name? Oh, okay. Your mother has 4 children. Chico, Brico, and Seiko. What's the name of the 4th child?
You don't know what the legs is.
Are you the 4th child? You don't exist?
No, that.
So your mother and you are the next child.
Let me wait
Alright, has 4 children. Chico, Brico, Peanut. What's the name of the 4th one?
Peanut.
No. Are you one of the 4th one? Do your mother? Are you a Jackie? Mother has 4 children. Chico, Brico, and Saniko. What's the name of the 4th child?
But I have 4 children.
Yeah.
One name is Saniko.
And Chico, and Mabrico. What's the name of the 4th child?
Fourth child.
Yeah.
Boy, I'm going to achieve me here, you know.
But you're not Jackie, you're the 4th one. Chico, Lenky, Brico. What's the name of the 4th child?
Mother of 4 child. Now me and next one.
Jackie, kind of Jackie. You see what I say? Last question. Who was the 3rd president of Jamaica?
President. President.
I Jamaica, they want to
Jamaica now president. They all have prime minister.
Okay, nice. Big up on yourself. Yeah?
Question bad still, is
Yeah.
it?
Who was the 3rd president of Jamaica?
President of Jamaica, was it Doros? Big up for
Big up
yourself.
yourself.
Yeah, man, big up, brother, big up.
Alright.
Yo, you should big up Pro Cut Multimedia. Look for you on YouTube, you see me? Pro Cut, up. Yo,
Yeah.
big up.
Who was the 3rd president of Jamaica?
Jamaica no president.
Thanks, yeah? Thanks.
They not give me for the
Find the video on YouTube. When you find it, comment it. Razablade TV. If you don't want to write it on the phone or write it on the phone. Who was the 3rd president of Jamaica?
Jamaica no president.
Big up yourself, hear me that?
No, one part, you see me?
You see, who was Jamaica's third president?
I'm not Jamaica no president.
Everybody's supposed to get that right. Who was Jamaica's third president?
Jamaica no president.
Nice. You see how easy? Pick up on yourself here. Who was the third president of Jamaica?
Third president.
Well, I'm not president.
President, yes.
Nice. Thanks. You see me? Pick up on yourself. Who was the third president of Jamaica? You don't know? Jamaica not a president. How are you there? Who was Jamaica's third president?
Jamaica never have a president.
Chill. Pick up yourself, you have a chill. Pick up. Alright, people. Remember if you like, comment, subscribe, all of that. Make your friend know about this. If you want me to do more of them, make me know in the comments. Last person, me a question, because you can't see, no light, no there. A full light around off the tea. Who was the third president of Jamaica? Easiest question up on the list.
Was third president.
Of Jamaica.
No.
Jamaica not a president, man. Pick up yourself, you see me?
Them all over me I live, oh me keep up with the challenge. Them a quiz, never fall hard from me tapping a the biz. Boy, no matter feel like man weak, they fly through your beak. One shoes me used to beat, believe me know about the street.